How to get paid in dollar as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. If you have been in the online business system for some time, you discover that one of the easiest and the most profitable online business to start, even if you are just leaving school or you have zero knowledge, is affiliate marketing. Many have made thousands, even millions of naira doing affiliate marketer right here in Nigeria using Nigeria affiliate network platform. But in today's video, I'm going to show you one other platform that will not just pay you as an affiliate but pay you in dollar, and of course you can start it in Nigeria right away. For every other thing that have the potential to stop you, I will leave a link in the description for you to either contact me directly or you do it yourself and get started immediately. So let's get started. The platform, as you may already know, is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus have various category of products, software, knowledge-based products, online courses, ebooks, and every other digital or online business model or product that you can think of as an affiliate. There are millions or thousands of products on this Warrior Plus platform, and the most important thing is that you don't need to pay to join this affiliate marketing network. It is totally free to join, and you can join from Nigeria. They accept Nigeria affiliate marketer. Every product on that platform is listed in dollars. Of course, you can have products of as low as $6, which means as low as 3,000 naira product. So you don't have to fear, oh, if the product is listed in dollar, the price may be high for your Nigeria audience to buy. And the more important thing, they show you how these products landing page converts. For instance, if 100 people visit the landing page, how many of these people get to buy the products? So they give you a statistic of how the product copy or the product landing page convert people to buyers, so that you know, okay, if this product convert 50%, you know, okay, if I send 100 people into this landing page, I'm possibly going to get nothing less than 50 people to buy that product. And if your affiliate commission is $10, or let's just even say $1, that means you just get $50 into your affiliate sales. So that is one of the advantage of this Warrior Plus platform. After signing up or requesting to get access and start selling the product, you will have to visit a landing page where these product creators or the owners of these products have done every copywriting stuff that you need. The landing page, the message you are going to be sending to your prospects, and everything that needed to be done. These guys have done everything for you. So your own is to just copy and paste into your email landing page or anywhere you want to get them pasted. So you don't need to have anything. They do everything for you. Your job is to copy and paste. The next big thing is you need to receive payment. After making sale, you have to receive payment for every sale you make, and there are different ways you can receive payment from this online platform. The first option is PayPal. PayPal is easy to get started with because it allow you connect your PayPal email account to your Warrior Plus account directly. So it is easy for you to start receiving payments easily. Though the PayPal service is not available to Nigerians, but if you have someone that own a PayPal account, you can use their PayPal account to receive your own payment. But that is not something that I will really suggest to you. But if you need a PayPal account in Nigeria, I want you to check the comment below and contact me on WhatsApp direct, and I will get a PayPal account for you in less than 48 hours right here in Nigeria. It doesn't have any limits. You don't have limit on how much you receive for that PayPal account because it's going to be a PayPal business account with no limit. You can send and receive money with it. And the second option is Payoneer. A Payoneer account help you open a virtual US, UK or any other country's account right from Nigeria. And after opening it, you just have to enter your Payoneer details like the account number, the bank, and of course you enter your Nigeria bank account number. So when you receive the money from this Payoneer account, like use the virtual US or UK account to receive your payment, you transfer it to your own Naira account directly. It is as easy as that. So that is how to earn in dollar as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria, and all the steps you need to get started immediately. I will leave a link for you to sign up on the Warrior Plus platform and see the kind of products they have on this platform, so you too can start your journey right away. Again, I'm Lokosu Sylvain. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and of course ask any question and I will be ready to answer you swiftly. See you in my next video.